Okay, it's Saturday, not Sunday. And I guess it's, I don't know, the 23rd or the 24th. And I'm here at the Cantaloupe to find it. Oh, there it is. A nice, look at it, nice, beautiful cantaloupe. And the big surprise is that, wait, just be patient. Over here, look, another big cantaloupe. Hey, that's, just so you have an idea, that's my hand. Isn't that great? There's some clover. I'll pick it. And I don't know if there are any more. That one was a surprise. They're always a surprise. You don't think you see them. Oh wait, see, there's one. That one's smaller. It's like 2.5, 3 inches. I'll get rid of this plant. Wow, I'm picking some flowers so that they stop making cantaloupes. And then you can see, look at all the beans hanging there. Lots of beans. And now the beans and the cantaloupes are getting kind of, look at how the cantaloupe has wound itself around the bean leaf. Stop that. Wow. And what else? What else today? Well, tomatoes. Here, little tiny tomato. And more, not so tiny, and its friend, and oops, there are a couple more, and then on this one, look, we've got those nice, and we've got these over here. And we can go look at our other tomatoes. Well, here's the eggplant. And here, what do we have? We've got one up here. We've got 2 here. Here's another 2. There's one hiding. Can you see it? It's right there. And then here's one. Here's a big one and a little one. More. Uh-oh, look at these up here. They're like 6 feet tall, probably. Here's more. Here's 2. Look at how tiny that one is and that one. And we've got these 2. We've got this one. Ho-ho! And hiding, we have this one. Then we go to this box, and look, we have 2 here, and another 2 here, and another 2 right here. Very, very good. Here's one here, and there's one way over there. I can't even reach it. And that looks like looks like it. It looks like the report for this week. Stay tuned. Bye.